Guys, today we are going to be learning about Newton's three laws of motion. So we are going to be learning about Newton's three laws of motion. And I can't explain to you how important these laws are for everything that we are going to study. So without further ado, I am going to show you all the three laws. So first we have the law of inertia. So what this is telling is, if something has a velocity, if this object has a velocity, it will keep moving with that velocity until an external force stops it. And that velocity can be anything. That velocity can be negative, or positive or zero. That velocity can be anything. It will keep moving with that velocity until a force stops it. And for example, if we throw something in space, that object will keep moving through space at a constant velocity until something hits it or something happens to it. It will keep moving in that velocity, and that's called inertia. So if an object has zero velocity or an object is stationary, it will remain stationary until something decides to move it. Until that, it will remain stationary and it will not move, according to the law of inertia. The second law is the force. Force is equal to, force is the second law, and that's equal to mass times acceleration. So if you apply an acceleration to an object, you apply a force, and this is the second law. And with this law we can calculate the force we need to apply to move an object of a certain mass. And I'm going to do another video on this topic I'm going to do another video on forces very soon, so wait. Okay, and for the final law, and the final law is, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. You may have already heard this in advertisements, cartoons, etc. And now I am going to explain it, what should I say, formally or casually, like we say. So suppose we throw a thing in space. Suppose we throw a spanner in space. Suppose a person decides to throw a spanner in space. So that spanner will keep going with a velocity, and we throw that spanner at a velocity. And this third law states that if we push that thing with a velocity, we are also going to be pushed with a velocity. And here velocity is not a correct word. If we push that thing with a force, we are going to be pushed back with the same force. And this is a very important concept. For example, if I hit a wall, if I